In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your posts on x.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you want to check your recent posts, review older content, or open a specific post to see replies, reposts, and analytics. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media guides. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your X account. You can do this from your browser or the X app, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on the web version. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where X keeps most of the main navigation options, including your home feed, notifications, messages, and profile. Now click on Profile in the left sidebar. This will take you directly to your account page, where you can see your username, bio, profile picture, and all of your public activity in one place. If you have multiple posts, this is the fastest way to find them without searching manually. After that, look near the top of your profile page and click the Posts tab. This tab filters your profile so that only your own posts are displayed. It's the easiest way to browse everything you've published on X, whether it was posted today, last week, or even months ago. Once the Posts tab is open, simply scroll through your timeline of posts. You can keep moving down to view older posts, read what you previously shared, and quickly find anything you want to revisit. If you post often, this is a great way to review your content history and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you want to see more details about a specific post, just click on that post. When it opens, you'll be able to view the full post page, along with replies, reposts, likes, and other engagement details. In some cases, you may also see analytics or additional post information depending on your account and the post settings. So, to recap, the process is very simple. Log into X, click Profile, open the Posts tab, scroll through your posts, and click any post to view the full details. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.